Hi, viewer, in today's video we are visiting Countryside Raindance. It's a residential project located at Electronics City Phase 1, Bangalore. We are at the project location and this is the road connectivity to the project. Countryside Raindance is an ongoing project which offers 2 BHK and 3 BHK luxury apartments. This residential project is spread over an area of 2 acres and offers more than 78% open space. Now let's have a look at their 3 BHK model flat, which is 1540 square feet. This is the main entrance door. This is our living room, which is well furnished. Along with the living room, we have an attached dining area, which is the ultimate epitome, and we have a balcony to enjoy the morning sunrise and the evening sunset. Towards our right is the common washroom, which is located in the living area. And this is our kitchen space. As you can see, the kitchen is large enough for a cooking enthusiast to enjoy cooking. The kitchen area comes with a small utility area that can be used for storing the washing machine. The master bedroom on the right is our first master bedroom, and it comes with an attached bathroom. As you can see, the room is very well designed. This is our attached bathroom for the master bedroom. The bathrooms are equipped with top-of-the-line fixtures and fittings. This is our second master bedroom. This room also comes with an attached bathroom to it. This bedroom comes with a small attached balcony to it where you can enjoy the view of the city. All of the bedrooms are fully furnished. This is our last bedroom, which has a lot of natural light and could serve as a kids or guest room. If you're interested in buying the flat, please contact the given number. Additionally, this bedroom has an attached balcony.